Anthony from RV Adventure Ontario. This weekend we are heading to Sandbanks Provincial Park, and our son James is with us this weekend, so we're really looking forward to spending time with him and enjoying a great weekend. Let's see how much fun we have. Let's go! Alright, made it to Sandbanks. It was a good drive. A little bit of a white knuckle windy drive, but made out alright. But yeah, so we pulled into our site here. Awesome site. I'll give a review at the end of the video like I always do. This is a really nice site, one of our best of the summer actually, so we're super happy about that. We're just going to get some dinner going and have some fun, have a fire, and see what happens. So we just stopped at a hike called Cedar Sands Trail. It's right here in the park. If you go down to the main beach area, the outlet beach, it's right around parking lot number 12. You'll find it. So it's a 2-kilometer trail, so we're just going to head on here and here now, have some fun. This is a really nice trail, nice wide paths. Definitely not accessible because there's quite a few stairs to go up and down as you first start into the trail. And we're supposed to go up some more here, but kind of you meander around a marsh. It's very peaceful in here, it's nice. So just a little ways into the path here, the trail, you're getting a little bit of a lookout onto the marsh. It's quite nice and pleasant. Alright, we're just coming back out to the trailhead. This trail is a there and back sort of thing. There's a loop you go around and you end up getting back to the parking area. So nice little trail, definitely recommend it, give it a try. Alright, Saturday morning, just got up, got making some breakfast, get the troops all fed here, and today's going to be a beauty beach day here at Sandbanks. So if you haven't been to this park before, the beach is like no other. You'd never find another beach like this in any park. Maybe Pancake Bay Provincial Park is close, but not quite as nice as this one. But yeah, definitely worth coming here and checking out. So we're gonna get rolling here and then head her down to the beach. All right, we just parked at the parking lot here. So if you're going to go to the dog beach, you have to park at the amphitheater parking. You'll find that right at the very end of the road. And along the way, there's many parking lots to park if you're heading to the beach with no dogs. So definitely a lot of parking here. I would recommend if you come down here on a long weekend, then I would show up early for parking because it does get really busy. So really popular beach. So yeah, it's great. I'll show you in a second. I made it down to the beach, so just out on the water on Lake Ontario. It's just gorgeous here, absolutely gorgeous. I can't say enough great things about it. As you can see behind me, it is beautiful. So I'm gonna turn it around here so I'm sure you don't want to be looking at me. So here, have a look at the beach. Really gorgeous, goes on forever. I mean really far, all the way, I don't know if this helps, but way down there. So beautiful. You can come for the day, get a day pass in advance to come here, or obviously if you're camping here, this is the main beach. Spend the entire day down here in the water. Like I mentioned, we're in the dog area, so it's pretty good. Most people are good, have their dogs, on leashes and then out in the water throwing the ball and stuff like that. So it's amazing. I highly recommend it. You're gonna love it.
At the beach. Playing frisbee behind Claire.
Alright, we just went out for a little spin around. We just ended up in Picton, which is about a half an hour from the park. Pretty much got everything here, Foodland, Canadian Tire. We stopped for some gas here at the Mobile. This is a good spot if you want to pull in here with your trailer, if you're looking for fuel before you're heading on your journey. So just outside of the park, there's not a lot of immediate gas stations around, so just keep that in mind if you're out and about to fill up. Picton's a really good spot for that. So just outside of Picton, there's a little craft beer place we stopped at. So just grabbed a little trial pack here. So we're going to head back to the campsite and see what they're like. So if you're in the area, Barley Days Brewery, come and check them out. Okay, we just stopped at the June Motel. There's a series on Netflix called Motel Makeover, and Sarah and April, they did the makeover on this motel here, but on the series on Netflix, it just came out recently. So Heather and I have been watching that. They're redoing a motel in Sauble Beach, but this is their first. So we were just in town here, just outside of Picton, the downtown area. So we thought we'd stop in, kind of cool. Saw it on the show, so awesome. All right, that's another awesome weekend away here at Sandbanks Provincial Park. We're just going to do a site review here like I usually do at all our videos. So I am standing at the back of the site. So this site is really, really big. Basically, you back your trailer in with ease, like nice and level, no problem backing into this site. Driveway's on an angle, which is really nice. It's all dirt, but this is a nice huge area, all shaded. It was really good for our dogs, so we like that. But if you don't have dogs, you'd love this site as well, I would think. If you're looking for grass, then this site's not for you. But just coming to the other side, give you a different angle on it, and kind of just walk around here. And just coming out to the roadway. Show you just from the road, basically. Nice big opening here. Yep, there you go. There's a nice flat pad to back into, site 670, which is really nice. And what's nice about this site as well is that just straight across from it, there's flush toilets there, really clean, really nice washrooms actually. So good bonus there. All right, we're going to hit the road now. So thanks for watching. We really appreciate it. Smash that like button, hit the subscribe button. We'd really appreciate it. We're also on Instagram at RV Adventure Ontario. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on down the road. Cheers.